Texas now.
Oh my god, it's so cold out here. Oh, you guys are like super warm and like you're latex.
I have like,
dude, Sasuke right here.
this is amazing. This is Ellen Sasuke.
Oh yeah, Ellen Sasuke. Oh whoa, that's true.
Because I make puns with your name.
Does anybody want pepper spray?
Sure.
Don't spray me.
Wait, no.
Don't spray it, please don't. Don't. Careful, don't spray yourself. Oh my god. Stop! Stop! No. Put the safety on. For God's sakes, don't spray it.
Rapist, oh my gosh, I need that for my,
I need one of those penalty pen right now.
no, here.
Uh-oh.
Rapist, be gone.
Oh my god, don't. No. Why'd you hand
I don't trust anyone with this, dude.
Do you have pepper spray?
Why my papu? My papu? My papu?
Will you be mine forever?
Aww.
Yay!
I think I'm just like shove.
That was odd.
And my tummy fetish. I like Sasuke's tummy.
Aw, cute.
Isn't this like pedophilia right here?
It is.
Wait, they're both the same age.
Like it all technically.
No, technically it is.
Oh, technically.
14, I'm 12. Or 20.
Oh, oh dear.
Dude, pedophilia. See, we are pedophilia.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Oh. How old are you? You're 17.
I'm 17.
Oh!
I don't think it's pedophilia with me and anyone. It's like weird.
Yay!
She licked me.
I guess you know better. You fight. You talk to you like
You wanna carry a heart?
Okay, bye-bye, Sakura.
Wait.
Is that?
Blue heart.
Yeah, it is a blue line.
Bye, Sakura.
Bye, Sakura.